What is rock and roll vibe? It's like
You're not fall.
why? Welcome back to another haul video, another rating haul video. I know you guys love these videos. I want to see your face. I don't want to start off the video saying I can't don't put on the clothes them yet. I don't know them stay
at this point.
Guys, please don't take it serious. The rating is just joke.
Because it
I'm not
them one fight, my friend the number them when me I say.
No.
Guys, it's not that serious, okay? So it's just all fun because I want to see someone. You guys want me to do this kind of video, and I mean it's funny to me. It's funny, like
guys, if when I say eyelash glue paste down for my eyelash, me have a strip lash, and after I take them off, she tell me say,
don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't do that. I never did realize. Guys, so today I'm doing a nasty gal haul. So as you can see from the title, yes, it's the first time I'm trying out clothes from Nasty Gal. Yes, let's go ahead and jump into the video, okay? Alright, closing the eye. So don't open your eyes as yet. So bear in mind, it's very casual, not to be worn out to dinner. Okay? So bear in mind, casual, and rate it as such. Alright, something very casual. Ready? It is an oversized, I forget the name, I still tell you the name, but this is an oversized Brooklyn graphic tee, yeah, and this is a black biker shorts. Basically, I'll try to find them.
The outfit on the whole.
Yeah, you can't just rate it as they don't come together. So yeah, this material is so nice and thick, but this is definitely for winter, colder periods, okay? Yeah.
You have to explain yourself on the floor. I give it 7.5.
For casual.
Yeah.
Fit. Okay.
I feel like we're bigger.
It's very oversized. I never expect it to be so oversized.
Oh, you can wear it as a dress. Oh, you can wear it as a dress. You can wear it as a dress.
Yeah, it. You
No.
get it?
Me that it is. I'm trying to come out here, me like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Feel the material.
You can't.
So good.
Yeah, you can't wear it.
Me know say something. Me know
Wear it
say
as a dress.
me know
Wear it as a dress. Don't wear it as a true. It's a vibe.
Me know say it's for the winter times and such.
Yeah.
I give it a 8.
Yeah.
Biker shorts too, my friend.
Yeah. Can't wear it.
Must have made something them that already. So I
Yeah.
don't know.
The material no feel too. It feel kind of thin. Me not gonna lie.
Me tell you
But-
too. I don't know.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
this is like a nice one of them airport fit there again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or if you're in a cold place.
A cool, nice.
Yeah.
place.
Never expect it to so thick, you know. So yeah, I don't know what this I go wear go for right now, but it's a nice color. I like red. So yeah, next outfit. Alright, ready? Open. This is another casual fit, but more sporty. You can wear this with some nice sneakers and oh.
7.
7.
A hard 7.
Why? Me know say you don't like leopard prints. I love leopard
I love
prints.
leopard print. What me just feel like that's 7 that.
Why? Where you feel like this where it go?
Yeah.
In the yard? You can dress this up with a nice pair of sneakers and your nice crossbody bag and your ear
And
well
if you
do.
do that, you can wear it go like Mystic Mountain maybe.
Yes. No, me love it. The two of them don't really go together, guys, and me just put them together. No, it's not a set. They're separate. Let me tell you guys. No, it's not a set. I got them separately. And as you can see, this is Nasty Gal. It's not together, guys. It's not a set.
I think it's
yeah, but if you look closely, you see that the colors here don't really match.
It's not that. But it's short differently.
Yeah,
when I saw it, but I must say,
like when this stretch,
it come out.
yes, it's the material.
Yeah, I see that from a long time, but I never realized say another same.
So the bralette is branded leopard print, and it's size 6 that I got it in, and then the bottoms are size 4, US size 4 that I got them in, and the shorts name, if you could see me, Meow Leopard biker shorts. So me love it. I actually get 10 for casual purpose. Like it look good. Me like them. I love leopard print.
It's not about you. It's about us.
I think how we are rated.
This is a casual haul.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have a biker shorts here, and I have another like flannel plaid top. I don't button the bottoms, that's why it look like this. But I really have a thing for plaid tops, and they were trending at the time when I went over by Nasty Gal. Like,
can't what my eye.
Oh yeah, a light green color, and this is cycling shorts, and the top is square. You at checkout, at check long time shirt, beige. What do you think? Eight. Wait, you
get the whole.
No, I wouldn't necessarily wear this with this. No, but just throw them together. They didn't come together.
Well, I was tell this is my thing already. So 8 are that, but
what the biker shorts?
Yeah, but not at 8. So
okay.
The material feel like too hot.
Yeah.
So
kind of feel like it's gonna make you get hot.
Yeah.
But yeah, what you say?
I'm not rating it as an outfit.
No.
I give the top a 7.
7? Why?
I don't know. Just now warm me, and I'm gonna like the material.
Oh, you don't like the material?
No, like at all. It feel like one of the material that will make your skin start itch.
Oh,
yeah.
Enough feels. Maybe if you're doing it after a long while, yeah.
Yeah.
How about the biker short?
6.
6?
Yeah. But I love the color. The color give me, it look like it wash out easy.
I like it. Cool and everything.
I love them. This is similar to something we did have it in the previous haul when we doing it. Yeah, now that we look at it.
The other one jump out at me more. You know,
yeah, this is very muted.
Yeah. The colors are very toned down.
I always like that, but that one here probably where kind of toned me down at the material, the feel of the material. From you come out here and see, you don't like the feel. So.
And they give up, it's oversized too. You can like probably do it like a dress.
Yeah, I like that it's oversized. You can wear it like a dress or so.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah.
Like you can even do like, you know, one of them like informal streets photo shoot there. You know, something like this. That would be nice. But yeah, so that's it for this one. These 2 pieces. Open.
I like this. I like it.
So this is a bodysuit. A nice simple black bodysuit, and this is the same biker shorts from earlier. So, but we just put it together.
I like the black and together. I like the fact that it's a bodysuit.
You can draw them.
So like the fact, I like it. You know,
it just looks like a regular tank top to me.
No, sir. Girl, think clothes nice. Oh, turn around. May I say, I like the fact that although you did use it already, it pair with it and it look good. And it also pair to that nice red biker short, you know.
Yes.
Great with it, but I like it.
And then you could also pair this with like a nice leather pants.
Yeah.
Or leggings, and then you could have on like a nice blazer with it. I feel like I love it. I'm not gonna rate it because I didn't marry it. I didn't want to rate it.
Exactly. Because when we say me and you
how
are
much you say?
Make some get a 10.
And you say get 7, Shami? Okay. Well. Okay, ready. Open. So, I love the fit pan this, but I love the jumpsuit.
I love the jumpsuit. You know, the jumpsuit are my thing. I'm a light color. Is that black or dark?
It kind of just
look like
it's true. It's like it needs something in the middle ear, so like one belt, but it never.
You're supposed to put a belt there. It's the loop is there.
Yeah, but no belt came with it, so you're going to have to buy. If you plan on buying this jumpsuit, you're going to have to get a belt separately for it.
You know, girl. Yeah. Me for me.
Turn sideways.
I like it.
It really.
You're not doing nothing for your body, honestly.
Yeah, no, it just like an overall. I don't like the way it fits. It's a really nice style.
I give it a 8.
8. You like the style, but it don't fit good. That's the thing. I'm so bummed because it's a weird kind of fitting. The pants portion fit good, but it's like up here so never have enough material.
You feel like it's a dryer down or something?
Yeah.
So it feels like an ear fit then.
if me did forget a size bigger, I feel like it's in too big. It a fit, you know, but it's just that in some places
alright,
it
move
will
up
feel
and down
weird.
and this is something. Alright, stretch up your arms.
It is so.
And that's the problem.
Doesn't feel weird. You see how it just straight? Yeah, it's just
I'm stretching
weird.
nice still.
Yeah, it has a bit of stretch, but I don't know how this is gonna work out because the material is like one of them tough jeans material. This is actually the Power Stretch Bodycon Denim Baller Suit. Medium blue. That's the name of it. I don't know how I'm gonna work out that one. I don't forget it altered one. I don't know how I'm gonna probably as my summer I forgot get the belt. But I love it so much, especially the shade blue.
And
the belt, I forget. That's how that one looks. So you say 9 and 8.
You can wear it one nice like evening out.
Evening out for true. This is a cropped cord shirt in the color berry. Open your eye.
This is a good Satin.
I love this. Fit. Everything comes with 3 buttons in the front. I love the color. I love the material.
Me?
I like the material.
You don't like the material?
15 out of 10.
15 out of 10. I saw them for feel.
Girl, that's how to feel.
Yeah.
So you get a 10 still, but I like the material.
No, this is the kind of material. You know them kind of material, guys? Yeah. This is it.
Turn around and let me see now.
I love
her back, so yes, very nice.
You wear this out to lunch, you wear this out to go get drinks, you wear this out to sip and paint, you know, kind of artsy kind of vibe. So yeah, I think I have one piece left. Let me check. Actually have this pair of shoes. This is giving me a rock and roll vibe. Yeah, I know it's like.
You're not fall.
Why? You don't know that,
Mommy, what that?
Me say, you have to come to me today.
This man kick me, kill me.
Well, I know the people have to come for me. I mean, I can see some.
It's edgy. It's very edgy.
Very edgy and something, but
very edgy. You know, say I have little space in there.
That's why I ask you.
Guys, it just have a little bit of space.
Yeah, the reason why. Alright,
keep on the
side. Out there, so my God, sir. Yeah, say a crock. One heap of something you're going with.
Let me tell you my point of view now. You see the front of it? It looks like the gentleman shoes that they used to give boy picnic to go to school. I understand your vision, but listen, this is a 5. This is a hard 5.
You don't like it?
Hard 5.
I love the edgy.
It's because it's edgy.
No kick me, kill me.
No kick me and murder me. Yes, so the mood that I'm the big. I'm going to tell you something. It have something I go on for. But guess what? You see, true, it's bigger than our foot. I give her 8.
Yeah, it's a little. It's size 6. I wear size 6, guys. So that means I could have gotten a 5.
She could have probably wear one bobby socks underneath.
Yeah,
wear it to make it, you know, to make it look more.
Right. But it's my size that I wear, so
it's edgy.
It just fits me.
On the show the name. You know that show the man.
I want.
I could have swear somebody in there have a boot like this.
No, get the inspiration. Yeah, like she ready for go around the instrument them, like she have a guitarist or you know them bad.
So Shami said she give 5 and Mommy said she give the shoes 8. That's it for today's haul. As I said, yeah, casual vibes, but go ahead and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I know you guys love these videos, so I'm coming with more, and it's coming up to summertime, so everything from now on is going to be like vacation vibes or go out vibes, no casual, right?
Yeah.
Are you ready for that excitement?
Ready.
Alright, so excitement time. Next haul is excitement, so let's go. So just go and stay tuned, go and big up on yourself, and we'll see you guys in the next rating haul.